We are still keeping an eye on subtropical storm Alberto. It is strengthening up to about 45 miles an hour, which previously 40-mile-per-hour winds, but we are still looking at the rain associated with it. You can see that very heavy, steady rain down to the southeast parts of the state and then also around the Bay Area. It's been a very soggy morning, but we are going to get into some dry time as we move into the afternoon hours. We'll get breaks in between the precipitation, but we'll also likely see some more scattered thunderstorms developing with that daytime heating. But right now, the steadiest rain is focused just off to the north of Tampa around Newport Richey and then back up into Hernando and Citrus County around Inverness. You can see this is headed off to the northwest, but getting into some dry time around Lakeland and Lake Wales. You guys are starting to see a couple of showers pushing back into the area, so just a little better organized, but still a subtropical system, still not a tropical system, with all the activity focused on the east side right over Florida. And then this is going to be moving off to the north as we move through the day today and then into Monday as well, still gaining a little bit of strength. By Monday, early morning, looking at about 50-mile-per-hour winds associated with it, and then 60-mile-per-hour winds just as it's making landfall tomorrow afternoon along the northern Gulf Coast. So because this is still well out to the west of Tampa, we are mainly just going to see more rain from it and then a couple of gusts up to about 40 miles an hour right along the coastline. But the good news is we are getting some drier air moving in later on this afternoon and then into Memorial Day as well. So tomorrow is not going to be a complete washout. We are still going to see scattered showers and thunderstorms, but still a few peaks of sunshine as well. And then that tropical moisture fills right back in as we get into Tuesday and Wednesday. So more heavy rain for the middle of the week. But on Futurecast, you notice that's the morning hours that we have that most widespread rainfall. Then we start to get breaks in the rain, even a few peaks of sunshine possible later on today. Heading through the evening hours, we are looking at the potential for some of those thunderstorms to develop. So we could even see an isolated tornado or two as well. So even though conditions are going to improve, you still need to keep an eye on the weather if you are going to be outside today. For Monday, just scattered showers and thunderstorms. Notice we don't have that wide swath of rain right over the Bay Area. So there is still going to be some blue skies and some dry time for your Memorial Day. Winds, though, they are a little bit breezy, even getting up to wind speeds of about 22 miles an hour in St. Pete, gusting to 25 miles an hour in Clearwater. Same in Brooksville, and that's where we're really going to see our gusts today, about 20 to 35 miles an hour, and then just a couple of gusts right along the coast, closer to about 40 miles an hour. Not a good day for boating at all. The seas at about 10 to 14 feet, so it's very rough out there. We also have that high risk of rip currents. As we head towards midday, right around 1 o'clock, when we get that high tide coming in, those are going to be running about 1 to 2 feet above normal. But right now, it's just warm and muggy with that rain off to the north around Citrus and Hernando County. Temperatures are in the mid-70s. We'll be closer to 80 degrees as we head towards noon, and then highs around 83 this afternoon. And we are going to see that very heavy rain associated with any thunderstorms that do develop this afternoon. And as I mentioned, we also have the potential for an isolated tornado as well. And then tonight, still a few lingering showers. It's going to be warm and muggy, and we'll see very similar temperatures in the mid-70s starting off your Memorial Day. And then just a couple of degrees warmer, a little bit more sunshine tomorrow. 85 degrees is the high. And then as we head through the upcoming week, we still have those daily rain chances out there, but they are going to start to taper off as we get into Friday and Saturday, down to about a 40% chance. And temperatures will be steadily warming up back into the lower 90s as we head towards Friday and Saturday.